Setting up Google Search Console for Shopify is a crucial step in monitoring and improving your website's search engine optimization. To start, navigate to the Google Search Console website and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, create one and then proceed to sign in. Once you are signed in, click on the Add a Property button and enter your Shopify website URL. You will then be asked to verify your website ownership. To do this, you can use one of the several methods provided by Google, such as uploading an HTML file to your website, adding a meta tag to your website's homepage, or using your Google Analytics account. For Shopify users, the easiest method is to use the Google Analytics account. If you have already set up Google Analytics on your Shopify store, you can use this to verify your website ownership. Simply select the Google Analytics option and choose your account from the drop-down list. After verifying your website ownership, you will be taken to the Google Search Console dashboard. Here, you can monitor your website's search engine rankings, impressions, and clicks. You can also submit your sitemap to Google, which helps the search engine understand your website's structure and content. To submit your sitemap, navigate to the Sitemaps section and click on the Add a New Sitemap button. Enter the URL of your Shopify sitemap, which is usually located at your website.com/sitemap.xml. Click on the Submit button to submit your sitemap to Google. In addition to submitting your sitemap, you should also set up Google Search Console to monitor your website's search engine optimization. This includes monitoring your website's keywords, impressions, and clicks, as well as fixing any technical issues that may be affecting your website's search engine rankings. By following these steps, you can set up Google Search Console for your Shopify store and start monitoring and improving your website's search engine optimization. This will help you increase your online visibility, drive more traffic to your website, and ultimately boost your sales and revenue.